welcome. Now, you're probably wondering, what is a Goof-Proof plan? Well, let me explain. First of all, I'm glad you're here, so welcome. I'm Paul Hansen, so let's dive in. Goof-Proof plan was the phrase that I adopted to explain what I actually wanted to achieve. It was something more than just something to create curiosity. It was actually my personal mission statement. Let me explain. I know you probably don't know me. I'm probably just another random guy on the internet to you. I get it, okay? But listen, I started this channel to help those with a desire to create their own business, but not just any business. Goof-Proof plan had some very specific requirements that I insisted upon. It really had to possess my mission for, what I wanted for myself and something I could pass on to others. So first of all, let's just break it down, okay? What does goof-proof mean? Well, according to the dictionary, goof-proof is a product, a procedure, etc., designed to be simple enough for anyone to use or implement. So that's my intention exactly, and then there's the plan, which means a detailed proposal for doing or actually achieving something. And that's it, it's simple, right? So that is the goal or the mission in my case. Now, this channel will be an accumulation of my experiences, successes, and other failures. Yes, I'll be honest enough to tell you about the blunders I've encountered as well. It's all part of the growth process, right? Keep in mind that what I offer here is what I do in my own business. I do not promote anything that I have not used and vetted. And it has to pass the Goof-Proof test. Now that you know what that is, I hope you'll join me. So make sure to subscribe below here and smash that thumbs up icon, that like button. After all, it's free to do, right? Okay. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I drop another video. All right. As you can probably imagine, simply by looking at me, my journey in business started decades ago. See, I've been in automobiles, real estate, mortgage lending, distribution, network marketing, affiliate marketing, and the financial markets businesses. So as you can imagine, I picked up a few things along the way, but life changed for me back in 2008 and 2009 during the real estate and financial market crash. Things got ugly. See, if you've been around long enough to remember those times, I don't know how old you are, but anyway, it was at that point that I really started to focus on changing my business life and ultimately decided that my desire was to be able to have a location-independent business. Meaning, I could work from anywhere as long as I had a cell phone and a computer, with internet access, of course. Part of the Goof-Proof plan was to also have a business that did not rely on me stocking products, doing customer service, or anything along those lines. See, my focus was on affiliate marketing and investing, selling other people's products and collecting commissions for doing so. Wow, really, when I think about it, I was in affiliate marketing when I was in the car business. I sold a product that I did not produce, and they paid me a commission to sell it, right? Simple concept, and now even easier than ever. Think about it. You can sell just about anything online and get paid for it, except I wanted it to be different. I wanted a real, sustainable, recurring income that I could run from anywhere I chose to be. And this is what I want to share with you through this channel and my website at GoofProofPlan.com. So if any of this sounds intriguing to you, then subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe. And make sure to hit the notification button as well. I'll be sharing with you what I'm doing, what's working, and of course, what's not, all right? Everything from developing your own online business to crypto trading, as well as some other surprises as well. So, I'd ask you to leave me a comment below here and let me know where your interest lies and what has been your greatest challenge to date. So, for now, so long See you soon. God bless.